Hi, it's a beautiful day this Sunday, and I'm on day 10 of 64 Days of Peace, the Michael Chekhov Way. Today's focus is faith. And I am so interested in talking about how much faith one must have to be an artist. Faith, we could look at faith as a belief in what is unseen and what is unprovable. And for every performer, every athlete, every artist, every painter, musician, actor, every human being who feels themselves to be carrying a gift could use the vessel of faith as a means to allow that gift to manifest in the world. And I'll tell you something, when an artist, when a person with a gift is not able to express their gift, this can lead to violence. It leads to internal violence, it leads to external violence, it leads to miscommunication and misuse of energies. And so no matter whether someone wants to pursue expressing their gift as a professional or as an amateur, one who loves, when you have faith that you have something special and unique to offer the world, your faith can bring you across continents, like Michael Chekhov's did. 100 years ago, Michael Chekhov was under huge pressure. He was recovering from a mental health year, as we might call it, a severe crisis about what does it mean to be the life of an artist in a war-torn environment. What does it mean to be gifted and talented when everybody is dying or killing each other or hating each other over, I don't know, when everyone's lives are in deep, deep struggle. And he was so paralyzed by this loss of faith in who he was and what his gifts had to offer that he could not leave his house for like a year. I mean, he walked off a performance in the middle of it from the Moscow Art Theater and just didn't come back. And what helped him recover was finding a sense of faith in that creative individuality, in that divine force within him. And I'm not here to say that you have to find a divine relationship to a higher power. That's really up to you. But what I am here to say is because he had faith in what he was supposed to do, he fought the Soviet Central Committee. He was marked for death. He got out of the Soviet. He fought for years, wrestled for years to try to bring his whole theater company with him. When many offers came to him to be a star, he sacrificed his own lower ego as a superstar performer, where he could have gone to many countries, had many offers to be a superstar, continue as a superstar, as he was in Russia, in Soviet. But he wanted to follow his higher purpose. He felt that theater was a spiritual mission, and he had faith that it is. And so whether you have faith in what your purpose is, whether it seems to fall in the category of some spiritual thing or not is irrelevant, really. The question is, where is your safety? Your safety is in your faith. Do you have faith in yourself, in your gifts and your talents? Do you have faith in your partners, in your family? Do you have faith in your community? Do you have faith in your government? Michael Chekhov traveled across the world trying to escape persecution from place to place to place. And he continued to do so, and his work was censored. But he never lost his faith. He continued to speak his truth. And today, 100 years later, there are people all over the world whose sense of peace, appreciation, a sense of beauty, a sense of creativity, a sense of purpose has been awakened through Michael Chekhov's work. He had faith. Do you have faith? Are you willing to trust in something you can't see, something you know about yourself that will bring you peace, something you know about those around you that bring you peace, and something that you know about the larger community that can bring you peace, Hold that faith. This is where your safety lies. This is where peace lies.